Yona, the other issues which have been raised on the issue of the abduction of the accused person and being held incommunicado, Yona, I wish to respond that my senior has alleged that this is a unique case, which I believe that all persons in law ought to be treated equally. Then secondly, Yona, I personally also learned of the same in the press. I'm not privy to whatever they're telling the courts in relation to the abduction. And Your Honor, it is our submission that if the police officers have other cases to investigate, then they are at liberty to do the same. But it is our submission that whatever happened is not even related to this case. My colleague, Mr. Ndegwa, has alluded that they were held incommunicado as a result of this case. But Your Honor, that is not true. Because eventually they were released to appear in court today. So there was no any aim as to whether they were to be put incommunicado and incarceration not to appear in court today, because they are already in court today. So whatever has been alleged here in court is not related even to this case. Then secondly, Your Honor, they have alleged issues to do with violation of the Constitution. Your Honor, I believe my colleagues know the proper procedure. There is no constitutional petition which has been filed, and they know the court which has the jurisdiction in the liberty to proceed to the High Court and file a constitutional petition, so that we can respond to the same. Whatever is being said in court is submissions from the bar, and we are not even able to respond to the same properly. So it is our side that constitutional petition so that we can respond the same in a proper manner. I rest my case.
If you look at Article 10, Clause 2C of the Constitution, it protects the integrity of the process. So what we are saying, and my learned colleague have submitted to you, is that this interference is likely to impact on the integrity of the process, and it is falling on abuse because it is being done with a purpose